If you have been wondering how can you make and set up a public profile on Snapchat in 2023, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First we need to open Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version. Finally quit the store and you can go ahead and open Snapchat. From here tap on your profile picture or Bitmoji in the top left corner. And then from your profile you need to find this Create Public Profile, so tap on it. From here tap on Continue, then tap on Get Started, and then tap on Create. Just like that you have created your public profile. Tap right here to open it. And from here you can maybe set it up however you want. You can add a profile background or cover photo from here. And then from here you can even add stories, change your profile information, location, and all that. Basically just set up your profile from here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.